my goodness! It just got really bad. Ah! Ah! That hurts! Ow! Ah! I'm gonna do that again. Oh no, it's going down! Ah! Dry me! I'm too wet! Oh yeah, it's standing out now. No, it's going down! Come on, come back, Thunderstorm! I want you! My iPad is covered in raindrops. Oh, it's really heavy now. It's really heavy! Heavier! Right, there's gonna be a flood around here in the fields. The cows! The sheep! What, the chickens! And the piggies! Yeah, there's no pigs around. Oh wait, yeah there is. The giraffe at the zoo! Oh my goodness! That really hurts!
Why have you left Gillian? Why have you left your socks out there? Right, you need to stand back here.
Wow, this is amazing!
Listen,
it's raining!
Listen, it could be lightning. Get back here.
It's raining!
Right,
It's
listen,
pouring!
stand in here now.
Snow.